Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to view history. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Lucidchart, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Viewing history here in Lucidchart is a simple process that can be helpful for several reasons, especially in collaborative or interactive workflows. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the document that you wanted to view history. If you haven't created your document yet, this is the perfect time for you to create one by clicking this new button on the upper left corner. You can start from a blank document or create from template. But in my case, I'm going to be opening this specific file that I've been using. All right. Now, for you to be able to access the version history, go to the upper left corner, click on File. There is a section here that says Show Revision History. If you do that, you would notice that thing is, restoring previous work is a premium feature. All right, you can start a trial to access revision history and more. Don't worry, they will send you an email reminder 2 days before your trial ends. What will happen is if you has the access to a subscription plans, a panel will appear on the right side of the screen. All right, showing a list of the saved versions, including the dates and times of each versions. For example, I move this image right here. And if you go to the file section and you click on the save or press the Ctrl+S on your computer or keyboard, Lucid auto-saves your work. And if you access the show revision history, you would notice the panel appearing on the right side of the screen, showing a list of saved versions, including the dates and time of each version. All right. The idea is if you want to revert to a previous version, just click this restore this version at the top of the preview. Now, this is particularly helpful if you are working with multiple freelancers. For example, in my case, in Deep Labs YouTube channel, we are a handful of talented individuals. One is responsible for creating the thumbnails, backend research, and one is doing all the videos. One is doing all the other stuff here. So when we're using the Lucidchart, it is very important for us to identify what changes were made, all right? Especially here in the projects that we were working, because each one of us are contributing to the same document. So that's the essentials of viewing history in Lucidchart. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.